something good. I took this moment and every moment before I made this. I realized at that point that I let you very close. And I don't know if you noticed. I don't know if anybody noticed. Nobody asked. And that's just how I like it. These two people are different from me. They don't know my history, my mom's name, my address. Yet they know me just enough to be here with me, to create, and to remind, and hopefully to inspire something or someone. We each planted a tree. I planted a lamp. In the evening, we built a big bonfire, sat quietly, mesmerized by it. And I thought to myself, I was at this exact place 1 year ago. There was also a fire. I was crying. The entire time it was burning down. The birds were so loud in the morning, it made me think of a bird flying in the room in my dreams. We ate breakfast and laughed about how much we all loved butter. Sometimes everything just falls into place and everything is good for a second. Is that scary for you? Yes. I was standing in front of your door wearing my big, bright yellow raincoat. Hey babe, stop. This isn't helping. How are you? How's mom? Did you come with a car? The weather's quite shit. I like your shoes. Yeah, my bicycle got stolen. Oh, look, a cat. I broke my knee yesterday. No, I don't know. That's my roommate. Maybe it's under the stairs. I forgot. Did you sign the petition for the water? No, not yet. No. Everything's quite funny, isn't it? Yeah, I've been inside a lot lately. Me too. Are you missing anything? No, not much. It's fine. I'm fine. How was your brother's wedding? Did you come with a car? I like your shoes. Yeah, maybe it's under the stairs. I bought plenty yesterday. I don't know, maybe that's my roommate's. I forgot. I have to check again. I don't know. Maybe she got it on sale. I heard she still got pregnant. Yeah, it feels like everybody's getting pregnant these days. Yeah, that's fine, yeah. I'm fine, totally cool. But, like, did you hear about it on the news or no? I forgot about it. Just make it smell like, I smell like onions. I'm so sorry. Yeah, that's okay. It's okay, everybody gets that sometimes. It's fine. Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's sometimes like it gets really weird, right? Yeah, I know. It's fine. No, it's